What's going on, you filthy fucking apes? The market is open. Stop flicking your diamond-encrusted nuts with your index finger. It's time to get to work. Now, first things first. Bank of America posted some very solid third quarter earnings. So much so, earnings season. And people are optimistic now. I mean, the Dow is up 400 points after better than expected earnings reports. I mean, like, okay. It's a good sign for the economy. But more importantly, what I want to point out is just a week ago or 2 weeks ago, there was a fucking narrative that Bank of America was going to take a shit on itself. And honestly, I had neighbors who were calling me like, Abe, should I take my money out of Bank of America? Like, no. I have a lot of money in Bank of America. I've been banking with Bank of America for fucking 20 years. But yet, there's so many people out there who are chasing clout and trying to get in front of, sit on the other side of your eyeballs and try to tell you that this is what's happening. And no, you got to focus on what is in front of you. You got to focus on facts. Got to focus on numbers. Got to focus on squeeze play. Just stop listening to these fucking kids who became overnight fucking Gary Genslers. Like, seriously. All right. So let's go ahead and look at AMC stock, right? The market opened and traditionally AMC would go ahead and take a shit on itself, but it's making a move to the upside, which tells me that AMC is following the enthusiasm of the market, which is great. Now, this line here, there hasn't been a lot of separation between 37.75 and AMC price action. And this is something we want to see because 37.75, as we spoke of before, is where the shorts piled in. And that was quite some time ago, over 70 days ago. But we were literally at war here in this area. So what we can do is break to 39, maybe 40, and actually force those numb nuts, sons of bitches, to go ahead and get margin called. Yeah, we're diamond encrusted nuts. Those guys, they're numb nuts. Let's go ahead and look at Ortex data here because I'm getting a lot of questions as to if the shorts have covered 3%, according to Ortex, why didn't we see a move on the price? Well, they were wrong. You know, it's really hard to get de facto numbers and results. Those guys do the best they can. And you know, it was a ballpark figure. They had to go ahead and recalibrate, but the game doesn't change. 17.7%? Man, that's still high short interest. You know what that is? That interest is so high. The best analogy I could give you is when you feel your stomach turn and you know that explosion is about to happen and you're like, I need to get to somewhere soon. But then, you know what we want to do as apes? Now we're going to add to this analogy. We want to make sure that they're stuck on a highway, gridlocked, nowhere to go. You're going to shit yourself, Hedgies. Okay, so now I have a bone to pick with you diamond encrusted nut flicking fucking apes. Let's go ahead and look at the turnover rate. 0.64% currently, and the market just opened. Now, I want to see that turnover number stay as low as possible. Now, yesterday, people were coming at me like, Abe, you made the comparison to Apple, and Apple has like a bajillion shares out there, right? Okay, well, we're going to make the comparison to Amazon really quick, because Amazon has about 506 million shares outstanding. And you see that turnover? 0.06%. Guys, that's wild. Let's go back to AMC. 0.7, which means that the Amazon guys are diamond handing the shit out of that stock because they know what they hold because the stock is elevated, right? But you guys, you're sitting there on social media saying, I'm diamond handing, I'm buying more. The question is, are you really? Let's be real. You want to see AMC squeeze? You literally have to squeeze onto your shares and not let them go because the shorts are going to try to pry them from you. And you know what's going to end up happening? You're going to be that guy stuck in traffic with your stomach turning, looking around. And you know what? You're going to see in the horizon a fucking porta potty and it's not even real. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with Review Dark. I had way too much fun this morning. I am signing out. Peace.